Wet wheels are popular in the foreign country. A lot of imitation also appear in the market. Since we export our product to overseas market, it may be arranged to display our original wheels next to imitation wheels in the same shelf. Because imitation are cheaper than original wheels. But we want you to recognize that buying such an imitation might take a risk. Why is imitation cheap? There are some reasons why it's cheap. The most important point is safety, because imitation wheels still press their production costs as low as possible, and the wheel tests are not severe like Japan either. There are various road conditions. It can be hitting the car or other contingency happen might be occurring. We don't think the wheels have enough to correspond to these cases. We have severe standard called JWL, BIA standard are obligated in Japan. It's firmly tested whether it's assumed and adaptable any such happens. And only what suite that these tested it's allowed to sell as a merchandise. There are no any rules to observe it to such a severe standard. Actually, the most of regions are not so severe to require it, and the most of imitations are confirmed to be there in such a region. For instance, it's needed to be a special design and manufacturing method to make it lighter. Otherwise, it cannot be held enough strength. Even if only the design copy without technology, it usually will not be kept any necessary strength. The road surface condition might not be as good as Japan. It might have a chance to fall into risky situations. It makes a wheel crack or air leaks. Wet wheels are safety much higher than imitation. We believe safety is the most important factor. That's why our wheels are highly picked on the motorsport field. Lightness and the strength are especially requested in an extreme driving in a circuit. The product of wets attaches also security of the product liability law, and it can run more safety in the public road. Of course, in the design part, we always passion an attractive design which is not similar to any other designs. We have 4 elements: fresh and daring design, quality, safety, and price. This is what we want to be as wet.